proportional graphs means as one thing increases, so too does the other. All right? Directly proportional graphs are always straight lines, and they always pass through that point 0, 0. That point 0, 0 is known as the origin. So if they ever mention the origin, they mean which point? 0, 0. And that's how you recognize directly proportional graphs. They pass through the origin, and they're a straight line. What can you do with them? Well, then you can read information. This is pounds and kilograms, right? So if I have 10 pounds, how would I find out what 10 pounds is in kilograms? I'll go up to the graph, and then I'd come across that. Now, of course, graph paper will give me a more accurate. Right? So 10 pounds, yes? So 10 pounds would give me, well, that's 5. So would it give me 5 kilograms? No. So I'd be able to say from that, yes, 10 pounds is the same as what? 4.5 kilograms. I'd also be able to tell me what 8 kilograms was. How would you tell me what 8 kilograms is? You start at 8 kilograms. So you start at 8 kilograms and you go across. You hit the graph. And you go down. And that's the answer. Yes? Okay, and that's given me, well, there's around 17, isn't it? So it's given me 17.5 pounds. It should be 17.6 with the right calculation of it. How come I'm a small bit out? Alright, yeah. Well, this line mightn't be perfectly parallel to this line. That one mightn't be perfectly perpendicular. And what helps all of that, of course, is graph paper. And there's loads of graphs that are directly proportional graphs, where one is directly proportional to the other. For example, your wages and the hours you work. If you're paid 12 euros per hour, right? So the hours you work and your wages. If you work no hours, what wages will you get? 0. If you work 1 hour, you get that. If you worked 2 hours, you'd get that. And when you pack them in, you would end up with what type of a line? And what does a straight line graph tell you? That they're directly proportional. And what does directly proportional mean? As one increases, the other increases. And they increase at the same rate. And if they increase at the rate, well, then you get straight line graphs. Right? Have you any questions about that concept? Now, some graphs aren't known as directly proportional, but there's a lot of proportionality in them. I'll give you an example of one that would be so. If you got someone to call out to your house to fix the TV or something, right? For him to arrive to your house at all, there's a charge. Yes? So even if he does no hours, there'll be a charge. Do you understand me? And say the charge is 40 euros to get there. Yes? So if he arrives at your house, and even if he does nothing, what will you be charged? After that, it will be directly proportional graph. In other words, the longer he stays there working on your appliance, what about the amount you'll be charged? So That graph is proportional, except for the fact that it doesn't go through 0, 0. Yes? In other words, you could answer the questions in the exact same way. After 30 minutes, he'll charge you that. After 45 minutes, he'll charge you that. After 6 minutes, you're charged that. And that's the way they would work.